Do you want results like this? Then keep on watching. In this video, I'm going to talk about My Lead Gen Secret. This is a simple system that allows you to make money online. Only takes between 5, 10, 15 minutes a day maximum. I've been in this program for a long time now, and I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how My Lead Gen Secret works and how you can get results like this. Let's go. Okay, so this is My Lead Gen Secret. If you click the link in the description of this video and you sign up to My Lead Gen Secret, this is what it will look like, right? So, what happens with My Lead Gen Secret is they give you 100 leads a day. Once you have signed up, once someone has signed up using your link, you then start receiving 200 leads a day. Now, these leads add up, and over time, you end up having hundreds of thousands of leads. I'm going to show you how many leads I have. If I select all, you will see I have nearly 200,000 leads now, right? What happens is you get these leads, you get fresh leads every single day. And you are then free to email them in this mailing system once a day, once every 24 hours. As you can see, I emailed this morning, so I have to wait until tomorrow. You can email these leads anything you like, any offers that you like. However, what works best is make money online opportunities, that kind of stuff. Now you have access to these leads. You can download these leads in a CSV file, right? And you can check what kind of leads they are. If you click here, you will see all your leads. Now, to protect people's identity, I have blurred the names and the email addresses, but as you can see, they mostly come from the United States and Canada, occasionally the United Kingdom and Australia. They are therefore tier 1 buyer leads. So, what can you do to make money with these leads? Well, you can email them every day and make them offers that they are going to want to buy, right? So, as I say, stick more to anything related to making money. That these offers work well. You can also promote My Lead Gen Secret itself. And if people sign up, you then get a $5 commission. That's a recurring commission, obviously, because as long as people stay in the program, you get a monthly commission. If you sign up 5 people in 1 week, you get a bonus of $100 extra, right? If someone who signed up under you signs up someone else, you get a $4 commission. There are 5 levels of commissions. So really you can get all the way from $5 a month to $1 a month, depending on the level of the sign up. So in that sense, My Lead Gen Secret has an MLM component, right? But that's not the only thing, obviously, that it has. The whole point of joining My Lead Gen Secret is that you can email leads and therefore make sales of any product that you want. It can be My Lead Gen Secret, but it can also be any other product. I have made sales of ClickBank product. I've made sales of a product called Legendary Marketer, which is an online education platform that teaches people how to build a business online. So really, the possibilities are endless as long as you email very regularly and that you know how to email these leads so that they will click your links and become your buyers. Finally, I will show you how much money I have made with this product. Again, I protect the affiliates' names, their identity, but as you can see, the list is long. And if I scroll all the way down, I have made a total, wait for it, of $2,133. with this product. It takes me on average 5 to 10 minutes a day. It's really a very simple way to make money. You can get email templates, email swipes very easily, and simply copy, paste them, put your own spin on it, and press send, and then you are done. And then when you've reached $30 in commission, you can simply click here, request payout. You can be paid in check if you live in the US, or in PayPal or Bitcoin, and it usually takes about 24 hours to get paid. They are incredibly efficient. I have never ever had a problem with a payout. It's always very efficient and fast. If at any point you want to pause your account, you simply pause your account, you keep the leads, and if you reactivate your account, you will just go back to your account with all the leads that you have that you can email from the internal mailing system, and you'll just start receiving more, 100 or 200 leads a day extra again. You'll just start where you left off, if that makes sense. So this is really a very straightforward and very easy system. So my tips for success with My Lead Gen Secret: email every single day, at least Monday to Friday. Email offers that are relevant to the audience. They want make money online opportunities. So make sure this is what you email. Don't spam them. Do give some value emails occasionally. Give it time. It's a numbers game. I made my first sale 10 days in, I believe. But obviously, the more leads you have, the more likely you are to make a sale. And finally, sign up using my link in the description of this video and let me know. Send me an email. I've put the instructions in the description. Let me know you've signed up through my link, because I will invite you to a super helpful Facebook group where you will get free email swipes, like literally access to hundreds of free winning email swipes. And I will send you my own bonus as well, some email swipes that I tried, tested, and that got me sales. So without further ado, I will say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about My Lead Gen Secret, please post them in a comment below this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.